Hello people, welcome to this episode of Naija Food Tube. Today, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, Nigerian plantain porridge. For this sumptuous recipe, we'll need a bunch of 6 unripe plantain, 3 ripe plantain, some crayfish. You can also use fresh shrimps, some palm oil, scotch bonnet, also known as atarudo, a bulb of onion, some roasted or smoked fish. Here I have some bala and shower. I also have here some pomo or kanda, as we call it here in Nigeria. I'm also going to be using some fresh pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu, salt to taste, and some Knorr seasoning cube. To begin this recipe, we'll peel the plantain. I like peeling the unripe plantain first, then the unripe ones. After that, we'll cut the plantain into cubes. Next, we'll wash the pomo thoroughly, scraping the excess bone inside out. After washing the pomo, we'll chop the pomo into bits. With the bone, the smoked fish, and wash. We will begin cooking by pouring our plantain into the pot and pour some water. The water should be a little bit above the plantain. Add your chopped onions and cover to cook for 25 minutes. Then add some pomo, blended scotch bonnet, and Knorr cubes or your preferred seasoning cube. We will add the blended crayfish. You can smoke dry the shrimps in an oven, or you use it fresh like that. See our tutorial on how to smoke dry your shrimps. You add some salt to taste. Afterwards, we'll add our smoked fish. Add some palm oil, You may add some additional salt and water depending on your tastes and desired texture. Leave to cook for about 10 minutes. We'll have the remaining roasted fish, which can be roasted Titus or shower, to add taste. Add your pumpkin leaf or alternatively spinach if that's what you have. We will leave to cook for another 5 minutes. And our plantain porridge is ready. Yummy.